If you are getting the error could not communicate with the device when using the Move to iOS app, this video can help. If you have a new iPhone like the iPhone 11 and you are transferring your data with the Move to iOS app, you might get the could not communicate with the device error, and here's how I fixed it. If you are not familiar with the Move to iOS app, don't worry, I will have 2 new videos coming out shortly, so hit that subscribe button. So here I will show you that I'm trying to transfer data from Android to iPhone and I'm getting the could not communicate with the device error. I needed to connect the Android phone to the iPhone manually. I did this by going into the Wi-Fi settings and finding the iPhone Wi-Fi. The iPhone Wi-Fi will come up as iOS and then a random number. Tap on that to connect to it. Next, enter the Wi-Fi name as the Wi-Fi password. Make sure to use upper and lower case. Once that's done, double check you have it right and hit connect. On the next screen, make sure you are connected to the iPhone Wi-Fi and restart the Move to iOS app. Next up, on your Android phone, enter the code that's displayed on your iPhone. There you go. The could not communicate with device error is gone and your phones have moved to the next step, data transfer. Simply untick any data you don't want to transfer and hit next. Hit done on your Android phone and now just continue along with the Move to iOS prompts to set up your new iPhone. That's it, you have now got past the could not communicate with the device error. Also guys, don't forget to check out my other videos like iPhone battery drain, and do me a favour, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon.